love that. It's so nice. Lila loves to be brushed, and she loves this wet brush, so I've given it to her. Oh, Lulu. Do you love it? Do you love it? This one was my favorite. That's so nice for you. These are my babies. These are my sweet girlsies, huh? Yes, these are my sweet girlsies. Is that your belly? Is that your cute little belly? Stretch. Stretch. Stretch your leggies. Stretch your leggies. Oh, that's a very nice girl. Oh, that's a very nice girl. Let me see. She likes her belly to be rubbed. Is that your cute little belly? Is that your cute little bellies? So soft. Oh, that's my nicest girl. These are my nicest sweet girls, these, huh? Hi. Hi. These very sharp claws. Oh, these are very nice kitties. Oh, yes, these are nice kitties. Yes, he's so sweet. He's so sweet. I love you. This is my nice girl. This is my very nice girl. Yeah. Maybe that brush helps. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi, sweet girl. Lila. Lila. Lila Lulu. She's my sweet girl. Huh? Yes. She's my very sweet girl. Is it your tail? It's a very soft tail. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Yes. She's so soft. Lila. Lila Maloo. Lila Loo. I love you. Yes, I do. Lila Loo. Is my sweet girl? Is that my sweet girlsies? Yes, she's my sweet girlsies. Yes, she is. Lila Lulu, I love you. Yes, I do. Do. That's my sweet girl. Yes, she's my sweet Kit Kat. I love yous. I love yous. Yes, I do. This my cockroaches. This my big cockroaches. Yes. This my sweet girlsies, huh? You're such a good kitty. You're such a good kitty, you know? You know that? You're such a good kitty. Okay. This my good girl.